Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you in my channel how you can change the printer language from the Videojet options. There are the number of options which in the printer you can have to put the machine password first, which is by default, which is provided you by the Videojet company. After the putting the password, you can go to the language change option and you can select whatever language you want to select. I will explain you how you can change the Chinese language. Sometimes we buy the printer from the international market and we don't know how to read the Chinese language, and today I will explain this how you can change. So let's start it. The printer is starting. There's all the Chinese screen. You can see by yourself. We don't know what's written here. I don't know Chinese. I know English only. Here you have to go to 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to see what's there. 5, fifth option. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. Here's the fifth option. I don't know what it's called. It's a password screen, but you have to press enter. The box will become like this. If you see the box like this, it means it's a password screen. It's just to estimate what we are typing here. I have to put the machine password here, press enter, and you have to go two option next word. If you go to fifth option, you have to go to seventh option. You have to seventh and the third option. Third option, no, I think I'm wrong. Let's start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh option and 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's a language screen. You can select the Arabic. All the other options are there. Many languages. Number of language you can change the printer default language. Let me select the Arabic option for the Arab countries. Okay, I have selected. It's saying the power of the cycle. I have pressed enter here. Don't forget to press enter and the turn of the printer. Let me start the again printer from the here. It will be take time to start up the printer within 1-2 minute, less than 1 minute. Let me now tell you, this is the head of my printer and this is the makeup and ink compartment where I put makeup inside, and here is the ink compartment, ink cartridge side, and it's a machine core here, and there are the number of machine parts inside in this compartment. Normally I have to always to lock this compartment after the use. Now printer has been started completely. Let's see if the Arabic language has been set or not. It's going to start in few seconds. Okay, so my Arabic language has been come. I am using this language first time. I don't know how to use. It's opposite direction. Let me check 1, 2, 3. Let me change it back to the English. What I know, I don't know how to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's a password screen. I know. Let me put the basic password. Enter. 5, 6, 7. It's a settings screen. It's a language screen. Okay, we have to. The language has been changed successfully from the Arabic to the English. Okay, see. To start the printer, just press F1 key and the printer, it will be start blinking. It means the printer is going to start in few seconds. I have modified these settings because my ink velocity is very low inside the machines. Normally this is the value will be 2.6 and normally 2.4, 2.6, but I have set the 2.2 because ink velocity is very low. I can expect, but if you are doing on printing mode, I recommended to use 2.6 value. Let's see what's going in the inside the printer. let's see the values. The target pressure value is 2.2. The actual bracket are the same. Actual velocity set point, okay, it's not come yet. Velocity set point 20,000. Phase threshold, phase profile, it's not come yet. All the values. So drop side will come, and this one value 1100 phase value. The next part will be the actual velocity. It will become value, then printer will be started successfully after this value come. It's not come yet. It's also come. It's 1947. So it means my printer will be started in the few 1 minute or 2 minutes after this value comes at 20,000 point. It may be 20 to 500, it may be 20,000. It's depend on what is the type of the nozzle. It's starting. It's my company name, and my mobile number is mentioned here. To get the machine installation service from the video call, you can contact me on this number. That is a chargeable service, and I will tell you all the machine parts as well as the all service over the time period of the 1 year. I will inform you via the video calls and other things. Otherwise, not started yet. It's going to start. Maybe drop formation is not proper in server. So let's see what's ahead. Here is a lock cover. Let me move. So it's a head. That's the number of sections in the head. Let me start from the above. Ink flows from here. It's a makeup line and ink line. It's a valve, head valves. There are 2 valves on the above, and that's again in the nozzle or the steel cover. The red part is a charge electrode, charge tunnel. We can see the check the drops from here using this lens. I use this. The next part is drops is going to the gutter side. Here is a gutter. This part. The printer is ready now. You can see. Let me put the back cover back to. You have to put it back. Okay. To enable the printer, you have to go to printer command, enable, and just enable it. The printer will started activity. You can see. Let me show you how it will be printed will work. So it's coming. My mobile number and my company name, Chetal Inkjet Technology. It's okay. To turn off the printer, you have to press F1. Just turn it off. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video and follow to my channel for the more videos related to the Videojet printer. Thank you.